Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Get ready to elevate your entertainment experience with the TCL A1s Google TV projector, officially licensed by Netflix. This incredible device is packed with features that will take your movie nights to the next level. From its premium quality display to its vibrant sound system, let's dive in and see what makes this projector a must-have for any tech lover. First, let's talk about the display. With TCL's TrueHue tech, native 1080p FHD, and 600 ISO Lumens brightness, you can expect stunning clarity and vibrant colors that will transport you into the world of your favorite movies and shows. The A1s also features 4 preset image modes, allowing you to customize your viewing experience to suit any environment. Whether you're projecting onto a 45-inch screen or a massive 150 screen, this projector has got you covered. The expertly engineered display is designed to provide an immersive viewing experience, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. But what really sets the TCL A1s apart is its ability to stream directly with built-in Google TV. With access to over 10,000 apps, including Netflix, you'll never run out of content to watch. And with smart updates and voice control via Google Assistant, you can easily find and play your favorite shows and movies without having to lift a finger. As the #1 global GTV partner, TCL has delivered an optimized entertainment solution that's seamless and intuitive. No more cluttering up your living room with extra devices. The A1s has everything you need to stream your favorite content built right in. Now let's talk about sound. The A1s features dual 8W full-range speakers that deliver powerful, room-filling audio that's sure to impress. With 4 preset sound modes to choose from, you can customize your listening experience to suit your mood and preferences. And with AI auto-tuning, you can enjoy deep, punchy bass and crystal-clear resonance-free sound that will make you feel like you're in a movie theater. Whether you're watching an action movie or a romantic comedy, the A1s sound system is designed to enhance your viewing experience and draw you in. But what about portability? The A1s is designed to be taken on the go with a sleek and modern design that's both elegant and convenient. The touch-sensitive vanishing buttons and VersaGrip handle make it easy to transport and set up, and the adjustable 0 to 15 degrees stand allows you to find the perfect viewing angle anywhere. Whether you're setting up a backyard movie night or taking the projector to a friend's house, the A1s is designed to be easy to use and transport. Finally, let's talk about the effortless upgraded projection technology. With auto-adjusting focus, keystone, screen alignment, and obstacle avoidance, you can enjoy flawless viewing every time. Just press play, and the projector handles the rest. No more fussing with settings or adjusting the image. The A1s takes care of it all for you. This means you can focus on what really matters, enjoying your favorite movies and shows with friends and family. In conclusion, the TCL A1s Google TV projector is an incredible device that's packed with features that will take your entertainment experience to the next level. From its premium quality display to its vibrant sound system, this projector is a must-have for any tech lover. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the TCL A1s today and start enjoying immersive, cinematic quality entertainment in the comfort of your own home. Trust me, you won't regret it. This projector is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.